Welcome to our tutorial on how to easily change images in your email templates in Gmail on your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your emails with the perfect visuals. To begin, click on the image within your email template that you wish to change. A menu will appear. Select Change Image to proceed. Next, choose the new image you want to insert into your email template. Once you've selected the image, click Next to move forward. You may need to crop the image to fit your email template perfectly. Adjust the cropping as needed to ensure the image looks just right. After cropping, click on Insert to replace the existing image with your new selection. Your email template will now showcase the updated image, ready to impress your recipients. By following these steps, you can effortlessly modify images in your email templates on Gmail, adding a personal touch and enhancing the visual appeal of your emails.